Guys, look what I got going on. So we cement getting this whole side done, ready to go. So we'll have a whole nother parking spot right there. Yes, sir. Looking good.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Y'all see what I got going on today. So finally we're gonna have another parking area. I'm probably gonna keep the El Camino right here, and then also we're gonna build another carport. It's gonna be a custom built carport though. And then I gotta get rid of these dogs because look at the fence. I mean, just keep tearing it up. But yeah, so they already laid the cement. I think they're waiting on it to dry a little bit, and then they're gonna smooth it out, so everything's gonna look good. And I gotta get rid of all that stuff, and we already got the new fence right here. Lee, somebody always calling me. Got the new fence right here, so we're good. Got the storage area now. Well, that's a garage, the garage now. So the 1975 is safe. So we'll pretty much have all the cars covered, guys. Well, the expensive ones, well, my truck will still be outside, but it's a truck. I mean, I did spend a lot of money on it, but my truck will be outside and the wife's Escalade. And then y'all already seen the new Audi we got. So yes sir, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when they get finished up, and then we might put the fence up tonight, I'm not sure, or we'll probably wait till tomorrow so we don't drop nothing on it. But that's pretty cool how fast they did this. I didn't even get to pull out the camera for y'all because they knocked it out. But I like it. Maybe eventually, once I get rid of all this stuff, you'll probably be able to pull, maybe pour one more, so it'll go all the way to this garage, and then that'll be 1 2 3 4 5. You could put almost 6 cars over here. So currently we got 8 cars. 3 of them are YouTube cars. I mean, I get content off of those. So yes sir, I'll let y'all see what it looks like when we get a little closer to being done.
5 hours later.
I don't know if I showed y'all the fence material yesterday, but guys, they pretty much wrapped it up. I put all this stuff in the way so the dogs don't step on it. But man, them guys did an awesome job. And if you look at the edge of the bricks right there, they even slanted it for us so the water drain this way. And then they put the lines in there. And I'm gonna give y'all a close-up tonight. We'll be able to walk on it. It'll be past 24 hours, I think. Yeah, it'll be 24 hours around 3 o'clock. So right now it's about 2. So yeah, we'll get to walk on it. We'll take that fence down. We'll get this fence put up. It might be kind of dark, but we're gonna knock it out tonight. Guys, it is a whole nother day, and it's freaking freezing out here, but we are getting it done. Well, not we, because it's just me right now. So y'all can see we got the area all finished up. Now I'm just taking down the old fence. It looks good, guys. Looks really, really good. I like the way it came out. Cement job, perfect. Me and my uncle did the fence. Now all we gotta do is brace it on this side, and then go ahead and cut and put the hinges for the door. So we should have that done today. right now I'm just taking all this old stuff, getting it out of the way. And yeah, that's what we got going on. I'm gonna try to unscrew these 2x4s, and if I can't, I'm gonna just cut them. But yeah, get my jacket all dirty. Oh man, let's see. I need I think I just threw a Phillips in here. Where'd it go?
What you doing? Ha ha ha!
Dang it. I just used it. There it is. I was gonna say it should just be laying on top. Hope y'all can see, man. I got y'all mounted to me. Now we'll have a whole nother parking spot. Then we gotta build a carport. Phew. Woo. Oh, that dust. Is there not a screw in there? Yeah, there's one in there. Gonna go falling. Might fall towards me. I need to be careful. I know y'all can't see this bottom one, guys, because I'm it's in an awkward position. That one's all messed up. That's probably gonna just break off. Yeah. That's all dry rotted. Yeah, that one should just break. All right, we'll swing this out of the way. Got my brake line kit I never put on, brand new. Shoot. Get out of there. Trying to finish this up. It's Saturday. Then I want to just hang out, kind of do some stuff with the cars. So I guess that hose wants to stay there. Oil stick. All right, I think we got it. You know what? What's gonna hold that side up now, though? I don't know. Probably have to put another pole. That one screw is in there still. That's crazy. Maybe I should oh no, it's out. So what's holding it? Something holding it. I didn't get that top one out, y'all. I didn't. It's bent now. Oh, the extra one in there. Okay, I can knock that out with a hammer or something. Let me just, I'm gonna lean it back this way. And I'll take it apart. I can't remember what size this was. I think 1/2 inch. Yep. 1/2 inch it is. As long as it didn't fall on my car, I'm good. There we go. There we go. But I'm gonna lay this freaking dogs. I'm tired of these dogs. I ain't gonna lie. So we're good to go. I just need to, I guess I gotta get a hammer and knock that out. Let me see what the hell is going on. Yeah, it's a freaking, it looks like just a nail though. It don't look like a screw. I don't have nothing over here. I gotta keep jumping over the dang fence. But anyways, I'll get a hammer, get that out of there, and then we'll be ready to finish this part up, and we'll show y'all the end process. All right, guys, it's been a freaking long day. It's getting cold again out here. I got my mask on. I know y'all can tell by my voice. Oh yeah, and for the people that didn't think I painted any of my car, yeah, there you go. But anyway, so I put all this wire on here. Hopefully the dogs do not tear this up, or if not, if they do, man, I'm getting rid of him. Because really, he's the one that's doing it. He's the puppy. She's old. She ain't tearing up nothing. But we got the latch working good. I only got one hand. I'm gonna do this. Uh-oh. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, I was like, what the heck? So yeah, now I missed one wire. Golly, we ain't cutting nothing out. It's all good. We'll just get the cutters. There we go. I was like, what the heck? So I know we had the latch good, everything good. Is there another piece? What the? Oh, it is. God dang. I gotta make sure. Okay. Alright. Damn. If you can slam it like that, that's good. But it's a piece somewhere getting caught. There it is. Okay. So we gotta take that out anyway. That's a piece of the wood. Yeah, we gotta take that out. So we'll get past that. Move. But anyways, yeah. Y'all see, it's good to go. Now tomorrow I gotta go get some more, and then we even put the handle right here. Tomorrow I gotta go get some more pickets to fix all the other stuff that the dogs tore up. And really that's it, guys. I'm gonna probably hold off on this video posting it until we pull a car in here and let y'all see how it's gonna look. The wheels that I am gonna keep, I'm gonna probably put them in this area, just kind of out of sight, out of mind, and then we'll get our backyard back. We'll get rid of the dog cage and have everything looking perfect. So y'all already know what's up.